Good evening. I'm Anton Bernardo, MMM Manager from Ibaan, Batangas, and I would like to share to you my 8 get help in the amount of 16,500. And as you can see, this today is July 24, and I just get help a while ago, and 5 persons send me their donation in the amount of 1,600, 2,400. There's a 4,000, 3,500, 5,000, and those are the 5 people who contributed to get my 16,500. And this is just happened in a day. So here in MMM Philippines, the system is working properly, and the members are trusting. So there are no problem that we have encountered, and I hope for those for you out there who are doubting in the system, you can try for as low as $10 or 200 pesos in the Philippines. And thank you, Sir Game Brody, for this wonderful program, and thank you, MMM. Together, we can change the world.